So I'm trying to hold back some sneezes. I can feel this fit coming on for a while, but I'm just sick of sneezing. So I'm trying to not sneeze. Like, I think I can hold them for a while. It's just once I sneeze once, they all had to come out. Oh, no. He goes, God damn it. Like I said, oh. What the fuck? Okay, I'm serious. No more sneezing. No. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. This is insane. Okay. Okay, this time I actually won't sneeze, okay? Don't sneeze. Great. Great. So great. It's so annoying. I don't know how to get them to stop sometimes. Okay. Okay. Okay, this chicken's kind of gone for a second. Okay. Okay, I think I can hold them back now. Okay. Let's just try again. Okay. I can feel it coming. Don't sneeze. Okay. God damn it. Jesus. Okay. Oh, sneeze. Dude. I sneeze. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, I give up.